One of the things that I have been really asking God for in my prayer time is just help me to love more. Like help me work on my heart. I want to lead with love in the way that you lead with love. Sometimes we are so quick to judge. We're so quick to be angry, frustrated, irritated, upset when we feel like we've been mistreated. But when I think about the way that I have behaved at times, the way that I've ignored God at times, most times throughout my life, and the way that He receives me with open arms, I just want to receive people in that way. And there's a Bible verse that I am becoming more and more familiar with where He talks about clothing yourself in love, kindness, humility. I'm like, I just want to wear love. Like, I just want to reflect love.